Velazquez. Dam line of VDL Edgar M, Merlin and Saval VDL. The genetically valuable stallion Tattoo H&DBTN has already delivered remarkable performances in young horse and stallion competitions under Fabienne Lichtenfort cuts. This promising 6-year-old stallion is in the pedigree of Velazquez, paired with a proven Hanoverian dam line, which also produced international 150 and 160 level horses such as Orame, Merlin, Saval VDL, Fair Play, Warland VDL and the Olympic show jumper VDL Edgar M. His dam, Neltje, is a sibling to the 140 and 145 level competing horse Eloy, and Velazquez shares his grand dam with the international 145 level horse Gerera.